Got two kinds of offsets here. First, we're going to do the triangle one. This is, you can grab any shape and you can offset either way. When you let go, it's going to tell you the offset. Let's say you wanted a 5-foot offset. 5 foot. Change color, delete original section. So you can leave the one there, you can delete the one that was there, change the color if you want, and say okay. There it is. So that's one way to do it. Let me take the pencil here and draw a straight line with a couple points on it. Go back to 0. I'm going to leave it open, and I'm just playing here. So now I can take this, and if let's say this is the center line of a ditch or a swale, and you got a dozer, and it's, let's say it's got a 10-foot blade on it. So you can look at the outside edge. You can get to about 10 foot, get close. It's going to ask you, what's the radius or half the offset of the line? So let's say you want it to be 5 foot. Oops, 50. And you want to change the color to some color. Now, offset ends means these ends here, right now they're offsetted the same amount. But in a lot of worlds, you want to just stop at the end. So you can stop the offset, and then you can delete the original if you want. That's what we got checked. Click, and there's what happens. So it gives you everything with your percent of slope, your grades, and that might be where your dozer blade goes. And you can just sit here and, oops, wrong one, cancel. I can put the sides of the banks. Again, don't want to delete original on that one. And just say okay, and there you go. So what's really cool is this one right here. This offsets points. So let's just go to this dark blue one here. And I can just click on a point and I can make it as big or small. So let's say these are post holes, pillars in a building, they're whatever, pads out there, your drill pads, whatever. So the neat thing is you can do the same with the offset of this. I can make this an even 5 foot like I did the other one. This is how far I can offset. So I can move it to the right or left, up or down, and I can change the vertical height of it. So pretty cool. And I can, of course, change the color. This right here, the points, number of points, 4 points is a square. I can go 3 points for a triangle, or I can go up to as many points as the dimension here. So up to 5. So if this was 100 feet, you could put 100 points in it. So it kind of gives you a scale to what it is. But we're going to do 3 points to see what happens here. And I can offset all the points on this section. So let's do that just for the heck of it. So we should have triangles offset in the center of each one at 0 elevation. We can change the elevation to 5. Say OK. And then we can name the section pads. How about that? Click. And it'll give each pad, and you can see each one of them there. See all that? We did them gray. There's each one of the pads. So you could offset on those pads, and you could put 6 points and be more like a circle. And boom, I just did all those on there. So pretty simple. That's how our offsets and offset points work.